So we got to move this lawnmower and take it in for repair before spring starts up. As you can see, it's in the bed of the truck right now. Don't want it flopping around, so we got the 9-foot Rollercam loop end. So first you're gonna wanna unroll your strap, take the one end, pull it through your eye hole or hook, and then you'll tie a loop with that end nice and tight. Then we'll take our strap, unroll the rest, then tie the other end into our second loop, pulling all the strap through. Wrap up your load, and then feeding the webbing strap through the roller cam. Pull it nice and tight. The roller cam will do all the work for you here. And then make sure we're gonna lock up our strap, keep it nice and safe, and you are ready to go, all secure and safe.